Yes, viewers, in this video we will talk about quadratic. In quadratics, we will have factorization concept as well as have completing square concept, and then we will talk about quadratic formula, and after that later on we will discuss about simultaneous equation as well. So first of all, we have few objective portions, and in this portion, first question is x square plus 2x is equal to x plus d whole square minus d square. So whenever we are trying to complete the square, it is always completing square method. So our correct answer is completing square method. To the factorized form of 3x square minus 13x minus 10. So we will think about the product of this case is minus 30x squared, and the sum is the middle value, so minus 13x. It means minus 15. Basically the factors of 13 will work for us, so 15 into 15 minus 2 will work, that is 13, and 15 into 2 30 as well. That means we can write this equation as 3x squared plus 2x minus 10. So if we take 3x common, it gives me x minus 5, and from here right side we have 2 common, so x minus 5. It means x minus 5 and 3x plus 2, that will work for us. 3x plus 2 and x minus 5. So our first part is our option is correct. Next we have part number 3, the value of x from the given equation 4x plus 2 equals 0. So from here it's very easy. You will take two other side, it becomes minus 2, and then divide for both sides. So it gives us x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So C part is the correct option. Next expression x square minus 6x in the form x plus a whole square plus b. So this is completing square concept. We will take the half of 6, which is 3, and it can be through x minus 3 whole squared. And what we are doing, we will add that, we will subtract as well, like 3 square we will add as well as subtract 3 square. That means it is x minus 3 whole square minus 9. So the first option is the correct. Next, we have the given equation 4 power 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 1. So in place of 1, as we know, a power 0 equal 1. So 4 power 0 is also 1. So apply that concept. That means in place of 1, we can say that 4 power 0. So once the bases are same, we can compare the powers. So 2x square plus x minus 6 can be equal to 0. Means the B option is the part number 6. The quadratic form of the given equation is x minus 6 over x minus 5. So we will try to simplify, like by cross multiplication or by taking the same denominator, that will work also. So it is equal, if you multiply x into x minus 5 minus 6 over x minus 5, that means we have x square minus 5x minus x is equal to 0. So our first option is the correct one, this one. Next one, the value of the x from the given equation are. So first of all, we will try to simplify, like multiply x inside, it gives me 10x squared minus 13x. Bring this 3 from right to left, it becomes minus 3 equals 0. Now we'll factorize. So again, we have the sum value is 13. So this is 30, means p equal minus 30x squared and s equal minus 13x. Means again 15 and 2 will work, but this time 15 must be negative. Means we can say that 10x square minus 15x plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So here we have 5x common. That means 2x minus 3, and here we have nothing common. So we'll take 1 as common. That means 2x minus 3. So we have these answers. 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 over 2, and one answer 5x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 over 5. So x equal minus 1 over 5 and 3 over 2. That is our first option. That is the correct option. I hope so it is clear. Part we have the quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0 has the roots. Again, we have different ways to solve. One way is the factorization, which we are already applied in the previous cases. So here we have the product value is 6x squared and the sum value is minus 5x. It means we have the factors of 6, which are 6, 1, 2, 3. 2 3s are 6 and 6x square, and some value is minus 5x. So 3 and 2 will work because the factors of 6 and 3 and 2, when we add, it must be minus 5, and when we multiply, it becomes 6. So minus 3x minus 2x will work here. So here we have x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equals 0. So x is common, x minus 3 minus 2 common, so x minus 3 equals 0. It means we have x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. So these are the roots. It means the B option is the correct one. Next, if ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, this is general equation of quadratic equation where a, b, and c are constant and a is not is equal to 0. The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 is equal to a. Here we have b is missing. Here we have the discriminant part is missing. It means A option is next. A rectangle has side of length x and a centimeter and 6x minus 7 centimeter. The area of the rectangle is 90 centimeters squared. So we know how to find the area of rectangle length into width. So we straight away apply the rule. Uh, like area equal length into width. So that means length and width we have x bracket open 6x minus 7 is equal to area is given. That means 6x square minus 7x minus 90. So this is our quadratic form, which is the last one, if I'm not wrong, 6x square minus 7x minus 90. So this is your correct option. Next, we have questions, short and long questions. So here we have two simultaneous equations, solve the simultaneous equation, and one is linear, one is non-linear. So when we have such type of conditions, how to figure it out? So we already have the left hand side the same. So straight away we can compare the right sides. It means we have x square is equal to 6 minus x. And then we will rearrange such a way so it becomes a quadratic equation. X square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. And now we will go with the factorization or quadratic formula. So we have all options are there. Even completing square method is also there. So first we will see the factorization concept. It is product is minus 6x square and some value is x. So we need two numbers. If we add, it must be plus 1x. That means 6, 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 will 1 and 3 2s are 6. But remember we need minus 6 as well. So it is x square plus 3x minus 2x. Minus 6 is equal to 0. X is common, so x plus 3 here, minus 2 is common, so x plus 3. It means we have these points, x plus 3 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. So we will consider the positive, no, we have these values of the x, and when x is minus 3, y is what? 6 minus into minus 3. So 6 plus 3, it is 9. And when x is 2, y is what? So 6 minus 2, that is 6 is y is equal to 4. So we have these points 2 comma 4 minus, when x is minus 3, y is 9. So these are the points are the roots of these two simultaneous equations. Next one we have again simultaneous equation. One is linear, one is non-linear. So we will try to take make subject of linear and then substitute in the non-linear form. For example, from here we can easily take the value of x from the linear side, means x is equal to 3y minus 10, and then replace this value of x in 2. If this is 1, this is 2, so 2 becomes 3y minus 10 whole squared plus y square is equal to 100. Now the whole equation will be in the form of y, and then we will try to make as quadratic form. So once we expand, it is 9y squared plus 100. I'm using the formula concept, minus 2 into first one, second one. So 10 threes are 30, 30 multiplied by 2, 60. So 60y, and bring y square is same. Bring this minus 100 into left side, so it becomes minus 100. And then we will try to solve the like terms as well, like 9y square plus 1y square, it is 10y squared. And we have minus 60y. After that, we have plus 100 minus 100 becomes 0. It means we can easily solve without using completing square and the quadratic or proper factorize. Here we also factorize, but we have two terms. So just we take the 10y common, and then it becomes y minus 6 is equal to 0. So here we have y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 6. So when y is equal to 0, what is the value of x? X is equal 3 into 0 minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10, means 0 comma minus 10 comma 0. Okay. And when y is equal 6, what is the value of x? So it is x is equal to 3 into 6 minus 10. That means x is equal to 18 minus 10, which is equal 18 minus 10 gives us 8. So when y is 6, x is 8, means 8 comma 6. So these are the pairs or roots of these two simultaneous equation, when one is linear, one is non-linear. Next question is solve using quadratic formula. Give your answer correct to two decimal places. So here we have x square minus 10x minus 3 equals 0. We know the formula as well. We are looking the value of a, b, c. Always compare with like ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So here the coefficient of x square is 1, so it means a is 1. And the coefficient of b is like x is b, so here b equal minus 10. And same as the last value is c, which is minus 3. And then we know the formula, we straight away replace the values. X is equal to minus b. B is minus 10 plus minus square root of b square minus 10 whole square minus 4a. A is 1 and c is minus 3 over 2a. A is 1. So if we do one more step, it is plus 10 plus minus square root of 100 minus minus plus 4 3s are 12 over 2. Next step, it is 10 plus minus 112 over 2, or we can check in the calculator as well. So it is one time we have 10 plus square root of 112 over 2, and one time we will check negative case, 112 over 2, 112 over, in two decimal places case, it is 10.29, 10.29. And in case of negative, for example, we have here in place of plus, we have negative. So then it becomes what? So it gives us minus 0.29, okay? Minus 0.29. I hope so it is clear. Solve by completing the square. So here we have x square plus 4x minus 12. So we have the concept how to apply the completing square. This formula will work for us. So we always take the half of the value which comes before x, and remember that the coefficient of x square must be 1. Then you can apply straight away. Otherwise, if something is there which is not square form, like square numbers, we will take common, okay? So here we can easily say over the value which is before x is 4, and the half of 4 is 2. So straight away you can say that x plus 2 whole squared minus what we are adding, we subtract as well. 2 square minus 12 equals 0. And then next step, x plus 2 whole square, minus 4 minus 12, x plus 2 whole square, minus 16. So x plus 2 whole square is equal to 16. And then we will take the square root on both sides so that we can remove this squared. That gives me x plus 2 plus minus 4. And it means we have two options. One is x plus 2 is equal to 4. And second option is x plus 2 is equal to minus 4. So we can say that x is equal to 4 minus 2. And from here x is equal to minus 4 minus 2 means x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 6. So we have these roots which are 2 and minus 6. Now we will check this question solved by factorization. So use the key point product and sum. So here we have first thing, it must be arranged form. Okay, it means our the product value is minus 16x square and our middle value is represented as sum, so it is minus 6x. We are looking the factors of 16 which are 4, 8, 2, 1, 16 itself. Among these all factors 2 will work for us, like if we think about 8 and 2, 8 2s are 16 and 8 minus 2 will 6. That means x square minus 8x plus 2x, and if you multiply it becomes 16 as well, minus 16. So minus 16 is equal to 0. And then we have it's a group factorization, so we will divide into two parts. So first part, x is common, x minus 8, and in second part we have 2 common, so x minus 8 as well. And then we can say that x minus 8 and x plus 2. And from here, x minus 8 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0. So x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 4. So these are the answers of our roots of this equation x square minus 6x plus minus 16 equals 0. I hope so it is clear. Next question is express the following in the form of x plus a whole square plus b. So we are looking the form of completing square concept. So already they mentioned the form, and we will find out the value which comes before x. What is the half of that? So 4 divided by 2, that means 2. So it means we can say that x plus 2 whole square and minus 2 square, we have already 8, and then it is x plus 2 whole squared. 2 square gives us minus 4 plus 8, and it is lastly x plus 2 whole square plus 4. That's the form we make it. And the next one, here, if you check carefully, we have the value before x square is 3, and it is not a square number. So the first thing is we will take common this 3. 3 and then x square minus 3 fours are 12. Yes, so 4x minus 1. And then we will see what is the half of 4. That means again 2. So we will try to complete the square. It is 3 x, and remember that here we have minus, so write minus, and then we can say that here minus 2 square as well. We have minus 1 already there, and remember that this 3 is multiplying with the whole this term which is inside except minus 1. And then the next step is x minus 2 whole squared, and multiply this 3 with 2 power 4, which is no, 2 power 2 gives us 4. 4 multiplied by 3 minus 12 minus 1, or we can say that 3x minus 2 whole squared minus 13. So this is our last form of this question. I hope so it is clear. Question number 6, we will try to make first quadratic form, and then we will use factorization or other rules to find out the roots. So first thing is to make denominator same. This is the one way, or by using cross multiplication, that will work also. So if you are trying to make denominator same, multiply here x plus 2 with both x plus 2. and here multiply by x and multiply by x. It means the down we have x plus 2. This is our LCM. And here we have 2x. I'm just solving as well. So 2x plus 4 and 3x is equal to 1. And then next step it is 5x plus 4 over x squared plus 2x is equal to 1. And next we can say that 5x plus 4 is equal to just cross multiply. So it is x squared plus 2x, then rearrange. So x squared plus 2x, we will take 5x plus 4 other side, it becomes minus 5x minus 4. And lastly, we have an equation of quadratic form, which is in the form of x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. So now we can apply quadratic factorization or completing here. So x square minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. If I check through product, it is minus 4x square, and if I my sum value is minus 3x. So basically we are looking the factors of 4, which are 1, 2 and 4. And if we check through 1 and 4, this will work for us like x square minus 4x plus 1x. It gives me minus 3 as well. So minus 4 is equal to 0. And then group factorization, x common, and then x minus 4 plus 1 is common. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. So it means x minus 4 and x plus 1. And lastly, we can say that x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1. So these are the roots of the above quadratic. Next, question number 7. The sum of two number is x and the product of two number is 153. What are the two numbers? So we will consider x and y are two numbers. So when we say sum of two numbers, x plus y equal 26. And when we say product means multiply, so x into y is equal to 153. So here we have two equations. Again, we will think about simultaneous equation way, like we can make subject from one, like this is first and this is second. From one, we can say that y is equal to 26 minus x. Then replace into, it becomes 26 minus x in place of y, okay? And x is same, is equal to 153. And then multiply x inside, so it is 26x minus x squared is equal to 153. Take these two other sides, so x square minus 26x plus 153 equals 0. So this is quadratic form, and here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 26, and c is equal 153. We have quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So apply this value or these values here. So b is already minus, so it is plus 26 plus minus minus 26 whole squared. Minus 4a is 1 and c is 153 over 2a. A is 1. Then x is equal what? If we solve minus 26 whole square minus 4 into 153, it gives us 64, and then it is very easy. 1 time 26 plus, and 64 is a square number, so it gives me 8 over 2, and 1 time 26 minus 8 over 2. So this gives us 26 plus 8, 34 over 2. And here we have 18 over 2. That means 34 over 2 gives us 17. And 18 over 2 gives us 9. So these are the values. So when x is 17, we can replace here in equation number 3. So then y is equal what? 26 minus 17. It gives me 9. So y is equal to 9. Means when x is 17, y is 9. And when x is 9, if we replace here 9, that means 26 minus 9 is 17. So when x is 9, y is 17. So these are the points we have when we solve this equation, simultaneous equations. I hope so everything is clear. Thank you for watching my videos.